Welcome. Today we're going to be making a basic curry sauce to heat in the dehydrator up to 42 degrees. Half a lime, grated lime, grated fresh ginger, 1 garlic clove, half a cube, add some olive oil, stir and place in the dehydrator for approximately 10 minutes. Add some turmeric, place in the dehydrator for about 5 minutes, add the stock, add a flat tablespoon of mild curry powder and stir. Add 1 chopped celery, stir and place back in the dehydrator. For blending the sauce in a blender or a Vitamix, I have coconut oil, some red pepper, 1 small carrot, about a cup of cashews, not quite a cup, and some creamed coconut. Add a small amount of water to give it a smooth paste, or you can add coconut milk, or you can also add oat milk. This is what your sauce should look like. So this has been now in the dehydrator for about 5 minutes. It smells amazing, and I'm just going to add the sauce now. This is the basic curry sauce finished. So now you can add whatever you want to add. I'm putting this back in the dehydrator now while I chop the veg. This is what I'm choosing to add to my curry today. I've got 1 leaf of Savoy cabbage that I will chop, some fresh mint, petit pois, and some cauliflower. This is the stirred ingredients into the curry, and I'm going to put it back in the dehydrator for about 30 minutes. And here's the final curry done. As you can see, it's at 38, but I couldn't wait and I'm really hungry and I want to try it now. And there it is, the finished curry. I can't wait, I'm so hungry. Oh wow, oh my god, you have to do this curry, it's really, really good.